Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to quickly draw straight line, straight line, straight line in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see now going to the rectangle shape option. Now select from rectangle. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now you can see now going to the shape option, shape in the layer option. Now select from double click. Now choose from choose color. Now click for OK. Now again the draw another straight line. Now select from click from double click. Now select from choose color. Now click for OK. That it's. Now you can see draw straight line in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for